Hello and welcome to Austin Cyber Shop. I'm just going to be doing a quick little rundown for you on the Dell 4120X Projector and give you a few specifications here. The brightness on these lenses is 2700 ANSI lumens, and that's the maximum that they go to. Our contrast ratio here is 2400 to 1, and our native resolution that this lens can produce is 1024 by 768, aspect ratio of 4 to 3. On the projection lens here, we're looking at an f-stop of 2.54 to approximately 2.7, and that's a focal length of 18 to 20 millimeters about, roughly. Might be missing a couple there. Let me turn it around. You can clearly see in there, which you probably can't. You'll see that this projector doesn't have a bulb. We are not selling it with a bulb. If I turn it around here, you'll see our menu icons. You've got a lamp icon that will signify you when your lamp is absent or needs to be exchanged. And the lamp hours on this are about 4,500, and that's up to 6,000 hours if you run it in eco mode, which is economical mode, or economy. And then the lamp type that it uses is an Osram 190 watt, which is user replaceable. You don't have to send this in to get it switched out. You're going to see down here, we've got our audio ports among all of our other connectors, but I'll get to those in a second. Our audio ports can project 1 times 2 watt speakers. That's mono sound, not stereo. Sorry about that. And the actual weight of this entire projector, I should mention, is about 6 pounds. It's 5.6 or 7 to be specific. And back up here to finish this menu, you'll see our contextual menu is right here. You've got a D-pad and selection options. There's the power button, which is blinking because we're plugged in. And you can also see a temperature icon right there that'll alert you to any kind of overheating or blockage of your fan that's going on. And down here in our connectivity bits, you will see that we have an AC power input socket, 2 of the 15-pin D-sub for analog RGB component input signals, and that's right over here, you'll see. And then we also have one 15-pin D-sub for VGA loop, one composite video RCA jack, one 4-pin S-video for the YC signal, 1 times mini USB slave for remote support, which is right over here. Audio input is 1 times 3.5 millimeter stereo mini phone jack, and these are pretty much common. You're not going to have to find a specified audio jack for these. 3.5 millimeter is the norm, and our audio output is the same, 3.5 millimeter stereo mini phone jack. And then you're also going to see our 1 mini DIN 9-pin RS-232 for wired remote projection, and that is, oh, there he is right there. And that's really all there is to the connections here. You can see down here, this confirms that it's the Dell 4220X. And up here on our focal projection, you can see, you can focus by twisting the lens cap. Or sorry, the lens coating, not the cap. There's the cap. And then you have a zoom function right here. And I'm going to start it up for you right quick to prove that the fans are functional. But please note, there's not going to be any light to show you because there's no bulb in this projector. So I'm just going to hit power. There's the beep. I'll twist it around so you can probably hear the fan. It is awfully quiet. This is the output side that you're hearing right now. So the air is coming out here because the bulb sits right in there. So that's optimal zone is right here to remove all that heat. Oh, she's kicking in. And over here on this side, you have your intake. So all the air gets sucked in right here, moves through the machine in a pattern like this. Just like that. Runs under this electrical circuitry and the LEDs, hits the bulb, and then pushes all the hot air out this end. Well, I do believe that is a sufficient test for you all. You can hear that now that the projector has technically started up, the fan has cooled down, and it is slowed down its intake and outtake. And you can see over here our D-pad and everything is completely lit up now. And, well, thank you for watching this Austin Cyber Shop rundown of the Dell D4210X, and I'll provide a link to this listing in the description of the video, and if you're on the listing, then you found your way to this video through the description of the listing. There's the fan sound one more time. Alright, well, thank you for choosing Austin Cyber Shop, and we'll see you around the web.